Hello guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to post picture on your WhatsApp status. Okay, so if you're interested, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the WhatsApp app. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, you go to status, you tap on it. Next, you go here, my status, tap to add status update, you tap on it. So once it opens, you look for pictures or picture you want to send. Okay, take for instance, I want to send this picture you are seeing here, this. Okay, tap on the picture. Okay, so once you tap on the picture, you can add caption, okay, to the picture. All right, you can as well swipe up, okay, to add filters. Okay, all right, so let's add caption. So if you want to add caption to the picture, you can say, depending on the picture you have. Okay, I have okra soup here, delicious okra soup. All right, guys, so once you are done, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on this send button to update your status. Okay, let's tap on it. Sending status update. So as you guys can see, our status has been updated. You can also choose to share it to your Facebook story. Alright guys, so guys, this is how to update your WhatsApp status using picture. You can also use video. Alright guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.